The key important factors of this bill is the motivating factor instead of a contributing factor for a lawsuit against employers, and that's key because it will minimize and get down to the real facts of why an employee was terminated. Defining who an employer is most important in this bill as well, and we'd like to see caps suggested so that we know what the fiscal impact is going to be on any potential lawsuits. It's that unknown, I think, scares a lot of businesses from even considering moving into Missouri because of that cost factor. Having owned my own business for 26 years, I've experienced several occasions where we've had to dismiss an employee, and they've used certain protected classes as a reason to file suit against the company, and they were not the motivating factor at all. They used it as an excuse to initiate a lawsuit, and it's very frustrating as a business owner because we have to foot the bill to defend ourselves. The employee has a right to use the Commission on Human Rights to go through and go through their process. What gets very frustrating is once the Commission decides that there is not a case, they send out a right to sue letter, and then that employee can go forward and find an attorney that's willing to pick the case up, and then the employer is stuck with additional bill of defending the process once it goes there. This will minimize the number of lawsuits that are picked up, because if it's a motivating factor or a primary factor, the employee feels like they were terminated, we see a great reduction and a cost to businesses and a more secure. I mean, if someone is terminating somebody because of a protected issue, that needs to be dealt with. But when it's not the case and you have to deal with as many frivolous lawsuits as we have in Missouri right now, that does need to be dealt with. And being part of a national and state association in the particular industry I'm involved in, I get to hear a lot of stories of businesses wanting to expand, but because of the unknown and environment that our businesses are in Missouri, with this contributing factor being an issue, businesses are slow to grow and businesses are slow to move into Missouri because of this unknown and because of this factor in employment that makes it a high-risk area for employment lawsuits. There's a great desire to see this done. Our concern right now is, will we get it past the governor? He's vetoed it in the past, and so I think right now with our majorities in the House and Senate, I think it's time for us as a body to make a move to get this issue dealt with when we have a good number of businessmen that understand the issue. We're not trying to force something that's unnecessary. We're trying to get a process done that really makes sense. If we want economic growth in Missouri, this is the key. This is one of the biggest items I think we can do in the legislative body to encourage economic growth in our state, by giving a more secure and more fundamental, rational process for dealing with employment issues, by making motivating factors a key factor for employment issues. It is very important for constituents to talk to their representative or their senator from their area about this issue. Get involved. Give anecdotal or real-life experiences of where these frivolous lawsuits have slowed your business down or disrupted your business in such a way that it's harmed it and it's kept you from expanding. These are the types of real stories that we want to hear about and know that this is a fact-based issue, not based upon rhetoric or hypothetical situations.